trying to make all the new, like we're from the new generation of the Kimptons, they say. So they want to do them, all the new Kimptons opening in Europe, they want to make them 5 stars.
Yeah, you have also in Asia a lot of Kimpton now.
Exactly. But the Europe babies that we call, they want to make them 5 stars, all of them.
So 405.
405 is our premium with balcony room. Oh, so you can see this bigger, the bigger space.
Premium with balcony.
This is a yoga mat over here on top. It's also complimentary to all our guests. Now in winter time, we don't do it because of the weather. But on summertime, every day on Saturdays, we have yoga. The rooftop complimentary for all of our guests, and we do it with the sunrise. So it's really, really popular for our guests to just grab the yoga mat and go to
Sunrise?
the breakfast. Yeah. It's early, but it's beautiful and it's worth it. You can open from here. And all our premium with balcony rooms have this French balcony. Like terracotta colors. Everything is made on purpose.